In progress.
mx1
the other one.
I suppose you just mean left side equal to this, right? Then keep going.
So I just multiply 2/2 to b, so it's able to get to the numerator. So,
Okay, yes. Actually, here you say m is like a common factor. So you can let it go to m o 2x1 plus x2, right? Take this as plus b. Then per is the function's definition is just f of, right? Neil, are you okay with this? Okay, not quite hard. Then that's all for section 3.1. Now let's go to 3.2 graph. Yeah, let's see this chapter's contents again. Function, graph function, shape of graph, average rate of change, graphing, method of combine function, iteration, inverse function. Okay. Yeah, we will mainly go through the theorem and formula. We will not go through each exam. Yeah, about what is graph. Yeah, suppose we already know this. Here mention how to judge if it's function, right? Vertical line test. If just intersect at one point, then suppose it's function. But for here, it's not function. It's like 1x has two different output, right? Yeah, talk about the domain, range, and some function value. Piecewise function. Yeah, for example, for this, you draw g equal to x squared, but just take the part x less than 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Definition of graph. Yeah, here means, I suppose means what means graph. If we call, for example, use this. If we call this, this is purple? No, I don't know what this color, pink or purple, right? If we call this is graph of this function, x square root, then suppose each ordered pair satisfies this equation, they are on this graph. And each point on this graph satisfies this equation, right? Then what we want to find? Yeah, for example, when we check x equal to 6, then from this we can get y, right? Or if we want to find, for example, y equal to 2, if here is y equal to 2, then we'll find this place x. Yeah, means we can solve y equal to 2 equal to x square root, then x equal to 4, right? So we know here is 4. Mm. Then it's the x side. Let's take some from here. Total how many? B. Yeah, let's just take. How about E11? Let's go to E11. What we should do? The graph of a function is given in each case. Specify domain and range. Right? Domain and range.
The domain would
Yeah,
be
yeah. I'll try to put it in the middle. Good.
would
Can
be 4 to 4.
yeah, again, you guys can write on screen. Again, we have left and right. Good. Both done. Right. Okay, suppose you have same range, right? From -2 to 3. 3 is not included, right? Mm. Yeah, so it's correct. But how about the domain? -4 to 4. But they don't include this. Say here means a whole,
Oh, right.
right? Hold, let me change for you. You just keep it. Undo and go back to
Yes.
okay. Yeah, you for anything wrong, you just keep it. Means you have to pay attention to here, right? So this is not correct, not correct. The correct, of course, we need the exclude -1, right? So that means that it's -4 to -1 and -1 to 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, correct? Mm. 11, then we should go to 22. But in order, there is a answer in the book. We go to 21. Change, 23. How about 23? Okay. I don't have 23 or 21. Let me see. The table and graph each function. It means piecewise function. Right. Sketching the graph. Let me take one. Oh. Yeah, how about let's do 27 and just do one of them.
I don't
Part,
know how to do that.
huh?
I honestly don't know how to.
You don't know, really. If so,
I
that,
don't think I've ever learned that.
yeah, how about we just do, let me, yeah. So again, you guys can work as we need here. Leo, right. Neil, you can do what you think you know.
Probably. I don't know. Your guess.
You mean this is part of the graph? Do you mean this is part of graph?
Because it's rational thing.
But you say where is domain?
The domain.
Yeah, domain is
Oh,
from
wait.
0 to 1, 1 to 2. So no chance to be negative, right?
Oh, yeah.
Just in first quadrant. Hey, what I'm doing? What I'm doing? Oh,
Okay. I don't know how high it goes.
mm. Yeah, it's okay. For example, you should mark this is endpoint. You should mark what's the value for y here, right? What's the value for example, for y here? You should mark it. Mm.
I don't know.
Mm. 3 million?
I know that's wrong.
Yeah.
I just didn't know. So,
Ray, are you done?
uh,
Yeah. So you'd better mark the value for here. What's the function value here?
it's one.
1.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me do it. I'll take, we just need the first quantity, right? So if you think about this, it means x, this means y. Yeah, we need 1, 2. So here is 1, here is 2, okay. Then here is 1, right? Like this. So for first piece, they pass through x equal to 1, y equal to 1. So it's a point here, right? For the square root function, it should like this, right? But we just need a part of them, so stop here, right? Then for 1 over x, if you guys know it, it should like this, right? But we just need this part, anyway. Then, yeah, let me use different color. So suppose when x equal to 2, per this is half, right? So half is about here. So anyway, it's like this. So basically like what Ray uh, drew, right? So anyway, but this point should not include because here don't have x equal to 2, just less than 2. And here it's like continuous, but not smooth. It's like this, then this, right? So it's not smooth, but it's continuous. So anyway, let me use marker. Which color? This color. It's like start from here, right? Then go here. Here is a hole. Here include, right? x equal to 0 included. Mm. Yeah, and again, as I mentioned, mark the value here. Oh, no. Here is half, right? Okay. Yeah, if you want, you can screenshot. Up to you. Okay. Then 33. By the way, do you guys want to see the provided answer? 20, where we are? 27. Is there drawing? 27. Yeah, you see it's here, right? Yeah, suppose here should mark the one. Anyway, then 33. What we should do? Determine the coordinates of the point P, Q, R in each figure. Given exact expression and also a calculator approximation round to 3, assume that each dashed line is parallel to one of the in exercise. Okay, so we just need to say this drawing, right? Yeah, we will not go to use the calculator to get the approximation. Just get it's the exact expression. Then again, left, right, left here, right here. Yeah, Neo can follow the order P, then Q, then R. For Ray, you can do R first. Um, but if you think it's hard, you can also, okay, never mind, forget this. Yeah, you can decide the order to find the coordinates for all these points. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. This is for point, which point?
Wait, no.
Yeah, R is your first, is your name, the first letter. No, not means the point R. Neil, do you get idea? Yes, find this point
Yeah,
first. What is its x coordinate?
4.
Then how about y? Get from here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you don't need to use calculator. Just write as radical 4.
4 kilo.
Yeah, could you, when you get it, could you write? You first mention the point's name, for example, P. Then what is the, you write to your side, near, write to your side. Point P. Or, okay, yeah. Then keep going. U.
Yeah, I'm not too sure, but maybe this.
Maybe this. Mm. Okay, we'll wait for Ray. If you want, you can double check. Yeah, but I don't mean that you are correct or not correct. Uh, I just mean if you are not sure, you can double check. But if you are very sure, just have rest. Oh, yeah. So Ray, how to simplify this? Yeah, I mean this looks like complicated, right? So can you make it something? For example, uh, use fraction or rational exponent means write as, for example, uh,
Like what I just wrote.
uh, for 2 or 7. Yeah, this is just example, means use fraction exponent.
Oh, this.
Mm. Are you done? Great.
Yeah,
So what's this?
that's no.
9. Okay. Yeah, so now for here, you can keep simplify it, right? Yeah, so anyway, I think this is the only thing people may be confusing. Yeah, I suppose this is correct. Yeah, like here, right? It means for exponent is 1/9. But consider as 4 is 2 square, right? Oh, no, they are 2 square. Then you can write it as 2/9 is the exponent, right? Mm. Yeah, but okay, you guys are both correct. And this problem is kind of fun, right? The point either share same x value or same y value. Okay, anyway. Then 44. We don't have 44. Okay, let's go next. Shape of graph, average rate of change. Mm. We call this turning point. Means, for example, for point Q, before point Q, it's like decrease, right? But after it's increase. So we call it like turning. So turning point normally means either maximum or minimum. Graph. Afterward, I'm tuning for a turning point. Yeah, so we will not talk too much on turning point. Suppose just let here go large enough, right? To find it. Yeah, but we do need to go through the average rate of change. Yeah, here is a definition. Just means between 2 point have a line, then find its slope, right? This slope represents the average rate of change in this interval. But for each place, for example, for here, oh, sorry. For here, maybe the change is like this. But for here, the change is means smaller than this, right? Here is bigger than this. But this just means the average rate of change. So to get the average rate of change, you need to have a start point, end point. Yeah, so why we need this? Example. Yeah, through this blue line, you find the average rate of change between A and B. So in future, if you let the B closer to A, when here, it's still an interval, right? But think about it, if you keep move the B point here, till they are just the point next to each one, right? Means the distance between them is as small as possible, as anyone you want. Then they are just like 1 point. Then through here, the area change go to the instantaneous, means just at this place, the rate of change. So that's the idea in calculus. But the basic thing is to calculate the average rate of change, right? Yeah, just make sure you can do it very well. Okay. Then you say we just say one. How about yeah, just use this. So f0 minus f of -2, 0 minus this, right? Then function expression is here. So you just find it. Okay, so here is the formula. So this not be highlighted, right? But it's like a formula or definition. Yeah, here means what means average rate of change. T equal to 0 to T equal 1. And by the way, what's the drawing here? Page 1. Okay, so we'll pass this. Simplify different quotient for the form. So again, A is like one place or one point, right? X represents another place or another point. So this is the formula to find the average rate of change between X and A, right? Then you just take in G of X is this. Yeah, can we have a try to do it? B. Can you try?
and then some change.
Yeah, A is a value, X, you just suppose is another value. Okay, keep going. Let me, so X squared minus 3X minus G of A, so A squared plus 3A, right? Then wait a bit, I have X minus A. You have, let me circle it, means X squared minus A squared. So factorize X plus A, X minus A, right?
Yeah.
Then negative 3, X minus A. So you can cancel, let me cancel for you, cancel this, right? Then what left is X plus A minus 3, right? Yeah, but by the way, this is the average rate of change between X and A, right? So we can find either X, A, if A is a constant, then this rate of change is still like a function, right? Means it can change, not a constant. As X change, this rate also change. Okay. Oh yes, so here get a different thing. We get minus. Let me see. Let me undo. We get negative 3. Oh, hold. I have something wrong, right? So here should X plus 3X. Okay, so need to be wrong here. Simplify. Yeah, we'll not spend too much time. Okay, X size. Okay, let's pick some. How about we pick 4 problems? Yeah, let's say totally we have about 40, 49. Yeah, Leo, you can pick up one. The odd number.
Any number.
Yeah, between 1 and 49.
I don't know.
Yeah, how about you pick up one,
17.
Ray pick up one, I pick up one, then we pass this 16.
I'll do 17.
17.
I'll do
Okay, no, hold. You choose later. Let's go to do 17 now.
But we're
Then
all
you
doing
you
17?
take one.
But we're all doing 17. I thought it's just like I write down 17 and then he.
Oh, you mean you do 17?
Yeah.
Ray do Ray do what he pick? Which one you want to pick?
I want to
The-
high.
16. This is 16.
He wants 3.1.
3.3. So Q11. You pick 11. Oh no, 17.
Yeah.
Right.
He wants
How
question 3.1.
how about you, Ray?
9265358.
What do you mean pi?
Hi.
He wants question number 3.1 for 159265358.
Let's just say that's 3.
Huh?
3.
That will just be 3.
Just 3?
Yeah.
Oh, this 3, but maybe it's simple. Yeah, if you want a 3, it's just 3. So how about let me pick 37? Yeah, because I take 7 and 3. So there is we don't have 73. So I switch, go to 37. That's what I pick. You mean each of us do one, right?
Maybe, I don't know.
But it's not on the same page.
I can write down my.
You can write down. Okay. Ray, you write down 3. 3 is a drawing. What we should do? Find range, maximum, minimum.
I should have picked 3. That's
Mm.
so easy.
No, don't make sense too easy. Also, don't make sense too hard. All right, just make something comfortable. Yeah, maybe we can quick.
Okay, let me take a screenshot.
Oh, you mean you have a screenshot? Then you have it, right?
No, there.
Okay, then 17. Yeah, this is a good way. 17 is here. Hold.
No.
I mean,
No,
according
what
to
is
graph, where is graphs here? Let me say, hold. 17 and 18. Okay.
That's so hard.
Maybe not so hard. Hold. Let me.
I'm taking a snip of it too.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
This is kind of notary. Okay. Then I have 37. I still don't know what it is. 37. But suppose not easy. 37. Oh, okay. No drawing. No graph.
Is the change in percentage of households in VCR?
Mm. Yeah, anyway, so you guys get your questions, right?
Yeah.
And you are working on. I can working on screen.
Oh wait, actually 17 is easy.
Oh, then good for you. Yeah, make sure you
Kind of
get.
easy.
Yeah, Ray, let us know when you're done.
Yeah,
You done?
yeah, I'm done.
Oh, okay. So, and Neil also report is easy. Then how about let's just go.
I'm not done yet. I still have a part B.
Oh,
I don't even understand what it's asking, but
3. Yeah, so let's go here first.
me,
Yeah, everybody. Range.
is it plus minus?
Then B,
Yeah,
maximum,
actually,
1. Minimum, -1, right?
maximum.
The interval where the function is increasing.
Interval,
Uh,
0 to 1.
yeah, make sure you write it correctly. Increasing,
would it be 0 to 1 and 3 to 4?
0, 0 to 1, 3 to 4, and decreasing 1 to 3, right? Yeah, so you can include or exclude the endpoints. It's okay. Yeah, then we're done. 17. Now let's go to 17. Here. Oh, 17. Let y equal to p of t, the percent of US household in the year t with at least one VCR. The following figure show a graph of this function over. Anyway, yeah, so Neil, you can write your answer, for example, for part A. For part A, you just write A, right? Then bottom. Mm. Mm. Use rough numeric value obtained from the graph to calculate the estimates for these two rate of change. Include unit with answer. So first, it's easy to say. By the way, is this the same range? 6 year, here also 6 year, right? But obviously here it's increase very slow, right? But here increase sharply. So this is correct. But this second question that you go to find the value, right? To calculate
Is it just 70 divided by 4 or
estimate
something?
for this two rate of change with answer. Yeah, you can just provide one for this period. What's this rate? Delta P over delta T.
The rate for that?
Yeah.
I'm guessing it's for 1984 to
Rough
1990.
numerical value obtained from the graph to calculate estimates for. Uh, so what's this?
I think that's the rate for 1984
Oh,
to
here is 70, right? It's
yeah,
70. 70.
but like it's
Okay. Anyway,
then
so
wait,
this like
actually,
here 10.
oh,
Then
it,
this like Yeah, 60 over, not over 4. How many years here?
Well, I just did it by like the slashes. I didn't know if I should do it by year or just by.
Let's say for each
So it's
for
6
each
years?
grade, it means 2 year, right?
Okay.
So anyway, here totally this not. So first it's 70 minus 10. Then the year is 6, right?
Yeah.
So it's just like 10. What
10
is
six.
unit? What is the unit here?
Oh,
That's good question, right?
yeah.
Do you find the unit?
P per year. I don't know.
P per year, right? Person per year. Yeah, yeah. It's person per year. Because here means 70% minus 10%, you get 60%. Divide 6. So what does this mean? Means each year the percent increase is 10, right? Okay, then part B. Using the Ray, do you understand this question so far?
Yes.
Then part B. Keep going, Neil. Using the following data, compute delta P over delta T for the period mentioned in part A. Round the answer to 1 decimal place. P. Oh. Okay. Compute. Oh, so I suppose in part A we just need the estimate, right? But in part B we need calculated as precise as possible. But that of course definitely you need to run your answer. We don't want a non-answer, right?
10.6%.
Okay, I think we can pass this. Now go to my problem 37. Good thing is here don't have drawing. So okay. Suppose that demand function for a certain item is given by. So suppose this is equivalent, right? X is the number of items that can be sold when the price of each item is P of X dollar. Compute over each of the interval. Include the unit in your answer. Why does it make sense that the answer are negative? Okay, anyway, calculate it first. So dp over dx is equal to like p 100 minus p0 over 100, right? So keep going. When x is 100, here just 1, so we get 2. 24 over 2 is just 12, minus when x is 0, here is two zeros power just means 1, so it's 24. Then it's 100, negative 12, right? Yeah, let me know if you think you have a question. So here for for this period, right? Then for this period, how about I change color and do it here, delta p delta x again, 100 p 400 minus p 300 equal to 100. So when it's 4, it's 4. So it's 24 over 2, 25 through, right? Minus 24. Here is, oh, hold. This is not 4, it's 400, so something wrong. So if it's 400 over 100, I just get 4. 2 fourth power is 16, right? Then similar thing, here is 24. 2 cube, so it's 8, right? Then together it's 100. Let me say, let here go to 16. No, maybe we can simplify it. This means divide 8, 3 over 2 means 1.5 minus 3. So it's negative 1.5 over 100, right? Then talk about why it's always negative. For example, if we have, what can I use? How about this? If we have A greater than B, right? And of course, X means kind of item, then greater than 0. Then we have delta P delta X equal to A minus B. Here is 24 to A over 100 minus 24 to B over 100, right? So who is bigger? 2 A over 100 is bigger, right? Because for this we call exponential function. It's increasing when base is 2. So A is bigger than B, so this is bigger. But after take reciprocal, this means smaller. So anyway, this is smaller than the net one, right? So that's the reason it's always negative. Excuse me. So, okay, so I suppose we done this section. Technologies in graphing. Culture in intuitive. Let's say if there's some summary, property summary, horizontal translation. Yes, so we also call this like a transformation, right? Yeah, translation is one type of the transformation. Anyway, use the translation to do this. Then we can just say as x replaced by x minus 2, right? Then it means what?
It means
What
it moves to the right or 2 units.
2 unit, right? Okay. Then here talk about the reflection. So then summary what means reflection about x and y, right? Yeah, here already highlight. If y replace y by negative y, it means reflection about the x-axis, right? Mm, mm. If replacing x by negative x, then reflected in y-axis. Mm. Okay, anyway, so this section looks like just talk about the transformation, right? Mm. Vertical scale or vertical like strength or shrink, right? Horizontal scale change. Say, compression by a factor of 1 over c if c greater than 1. Or strength if c is between 0 and 1. Yeah, lot of contents here. Finding. Yeah, here is like something compound, right? How to get this from the parent function f of x? Do you guys think this is hard? Have you learned? Leo,
Okay.
you think you are kind of okay?
Fine.
Yeah, so let's check. Definition, even or odd function. So even function means the symmetry about the y-axis, right? But how about the odd function?
To the origin.
Yeah. I mean, what's the character for the graph of odd function?
They have only one output. I mean, like each input has a unique output.
Neil, how do you think?
Yeah, I also agree.
Yeah, but I suppose the summary is means, for example, this function we call it's odd function. Yeah, anyway, it's shown here. But we call this symmetry about the origin. Right? Yeah, means the origin is the midpoint of these 2 points. So this like the image for another one. This is image is here. Okay, let's say totally how many we have. 60, 64. Yeah, let's pick up some after, at least after 25. Odd number.
So after 25,
Yeah. And the odd number problem.
37.
You pick 37.
No,
Okay.
no. I don't pick it. Because that was your last one.
Oh, now
Uh,
let's
no, I'll
each
do
pick one. So 16, 3.4. Which one you want?
I'll do 27.
27. Okay, Q 27. Leo. Then Ray. Which one you pick?
I'll pick 29.
29. You'd better have a big gap with his problem. Otherwise,
Two problems is
maybe
pretty
they are kind of similar. You know what I mean, right?
Choose. And what's the maximum?
64.
I'll choose uh 55.
55. Okay. Let me pick one between you guys. How about 41? Yeah. Okay. So uh, let Ray take the screenshot first. 55. Wait. Hold. I can let it go bigger. Yeah, 55. You take a screenshot. You done?
Yeah.
Then 21. 27. Sorry. 27 is. Hold. Yeah, I can let it go bigger. 27 is here. Okay. Then for me, 41. Yeah, you say fortunately 41 not in this problem type, right? Yeah, let's work on report when you're done.
wait, for this problem?
You do 27.
Yeah.
That's what you pick.
Yeah. But do I just like plug in this into this, and this?
Yeah, I
And
suppose.
graph it?
Uh, graph. Make sure you know how to graph it.
Yeah, I know how to
Uh,
graph it. I'm just wondering
Yeah,
like
yeah.
what the question is asking.
Yeah. So let's check.
Who's that?
Sketching the graph.
Oh, yeah.
Right. Given that f uppercase f g are defined as found. Hint start with the basic one. Yeah, means this means basic functions.
So
Suppose you should be sure with the graphs, right?
so
Then transfer them to what you need in problem 27. Maybe you can graph one of them. You know what I mean. Here has three different functions. For graph, you can just show one. What is the parent function looks like? What is uh, the function in problem 27 should looks like? Yeah, even you can let them in the same coordinates to compare them. Yeah, for the graph, even you can use Desmos coordinate system. Not means join by Desmos, but make use its coordinate system. Anyway, 41.
Done.
You done? How about you, Neil?
I did two of them.
You finished the two of them
Yeah.
and think about the last one, right? Mm. Yeah, maybe we can do it now, show one by one, as what I do on the screen. So let's go through problem 41 first. Mm. Yeah, so just make sure write y as the expression of f of x, right? So if we want to graph y, so starting from here, for let me use red color for starting from f of x. So first I'll go to get negative f of x. This call reflect by x-axis, right? Mm. Then from here to just -4. This called move down 4 unit, right? Yeah. Yeah, if you don't agree, let me know. Then now let's go to part B. Y actually is negative to f of x. So starting from here, then first go to this time. First I go to here. This we call vertical strength by a factor of 2, right? Then go to -2 of f of x means go to operator. This call reflect by x-axis or y-axis?
X-axis.
X-axis. Okay. Yeah, as you see, so I will not mention the transformation name. Mm. Okay, that's question for me. Then let's go to how about race one? 27.
Mine.
Oh no, 27. Yeah, maybe we can go to race one first. 41.
That's 55.
Oh, sorry, 55. 55. Let P be a point with coordinates. Assume that C and D are positive number. The condition that C and D are positive isn't a realness either.
How do I show this?
Translate the point P by C unit in the x direction to obtain Q. Then translate Q by D unit to y direction to obtain R. What are the coordinates of the point R? Yeah, you can directly show. The answer here is the coordinates of R, right? Could you write it? A plus C. B plus D, right?
Yes.
Plus D. Okay. So let's quickly say P is AB. So after first step, C unit. Yeah. Yeah, anyway, so just means X unit plus C, right? Then later Q plus D unit. Yeah, so that's why we get B plus D. Yeah, it's correct. Then how about B? Translate point P by D unit to obtain S, then translate by C unit in X direction. Yeah, so I suppose it's either, right? Then C, compare your answer for part A and B. What have you demonstrated? What's the conclusion here?
Conclusion is that
Means get same place.
the same.
Mm. Yeah, that means that it doesn't matter if you change x direction or y direction first, right?
Mm.
Okay. Then 27. Yeah, 27 may be kind of hard. 27. Yeah, hold. How about I make whiteboard? 27. And yeah, circle 27.
That's the first one. I think.
Hold. Yeah, so if we talk about this absolute value function, right? Let me say sketching given basic. Yeah, starting from here to here, suppose you use transformation, right? Yeah, I suppose it's correct. But can you mention what's your transformation steps or method?
Right 5.
Right 5. Just right 5.
Yeah.
Okay, hold. Then let's keep this for the absolute value function, right?
Yeah.
Now,
For the second one, I'm not too sure.
yeah,
But
for the second one.
actually, I'm just gonna.
Yeah, let's just talk about the first one, second one. Then how do you think its graph for 5 over x? This means
Asymptote x equals 5, y equals 0.
asymptote x y equal to 0. Now you mention the transformation steps, right?
Yeah.
Reflect about the x-axis first. Then move right 5 unit.
Yeah. I think. I'm not too sure.
Let me think. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, this you mean just 5 unit. Let's think about it. Yeah, then let's talk about this first. Starting from here, 1 over x, right? If you reflect about the x-axis, what you can get?
For this one?
Yeah, for the right one, for here.
Okay.
Yeah.
If we're
Here you mentioned reflect about the x-axis, right?
yeah,
Then what do you get? Negative of f of
negative
x. So that means negative 1 over x. But you can also call it
negative
1 over negative x is fine, right?
I got
Then you mean second step, you mean move right side 5 unit. Then how you change it?
I moved
Just change x to x minus 5, right?
yeah.
Then let's say if we can get negative, still negative. Here go to x minus 5. So we get uh, or, or it's like 5 minus x, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, then, yeah, yes, it's correct, right? Okay, this is correct.
And then the third one
Yeah, and this one, I suppose you use same method. So it's not just right, move right 5 unit. Here, maybe fortunately, is the initially is like this, right? Maybe you do, for example, reflect about the y-axis. So you still get the same thing.
yeah.
But actually you do a reflection about y-axis,
Yeah.
right? Ray, are you okay with it?
Yeah.
Okay, so my idea is, Neil, have you finished the third function? Not yet.
Nope. Oh, I was in the middle of doing
Hmm.
it.
Cancel here. Okay. Cancel here. Cancel here. Yeah, so let's think about for this function, for of course, for problem 27. So hold, before we do it, let's generally think about it's not dependent any exact function. We just take f of x as a general function, right? That being said, by what kind of transformation we can transform from f of x to f of 5 minus x?
Oh,
Yeah, we want to find a general rule, not depend which function it is, right?
reflect across x-axis and then
So tell me what's the yeah, this time maybe Ray can show idea. We'll say yeah. So starting from here, what's the first step you want to do?
So first that we want to do is put the Sinji to the function.
Could you write over here?
Uh,
What do you want to get?
get this.
Oh no, it's not dependent on it's g of x or f of x. I just means f of x is a general function. For example, maybe it's f of x is sine 3x minus 2. Anyway, we don't need to depend on what function type it is. Suppose there is a general rule, transformation rule, right?
Yeah, so at first it reflects across the y-axis.
Uh, reflect by y.
Yeah.
By y, then what do you get?
And then you
If reflect by y, what you can get?
get and then you get
No, hold. By reflect by y-axis, what kind of new function you get? Yeah.
even function.
No, even function just talk about one function. When we say a function is even or odd, we just have one function, right? But here, f of x is the first parent function. If you do any transformation, you get a new function.
So
Who is related to the parent function?
it's a subset function.
Sub. Yeah, you can say this. It's a subset function. A children function. Never mind. But yeah, anyway, you get a new function. What is it? You need to answer.
It's a new function.
Yeah.
What did you mean by what is?
You say. So yeah, for example, let me use something simple. Y equal to 2x plus 3, right? Or minus 3, yeah. Minus 3. If you reflect about y, what you can get?
You get -2x.
Uh, you know, reflect about y just means you change x replaced by negative x, right? You say, so the new function, if we call this is first function, the new function should be, you just change x to negative x. That means that the new function is negative 2x minus 3, right? They are symmetry about y-axis. That's why. So anyway, you get f of negative x. That's what I mean,
Oh,
right? So after first step, you get this. Then keep going. Next step is what?
next step is that next step is that for this one you add.
Yeah, of course you want to get this, right? From here to here. But what's this type of transformation?
This is called translation.
Yeah. Oh no, I mean transformation. Translate just means like move the place. But transformation include translation and also include reflection about the x or y axis, and also like vertical strength shrink, horizontal uh, uh, strength or shrink.
So it moves
Now from f of negative x to f of 5 minus x, what's this transformation?
this is called moving horizontally to the left.
To left, to left. How many units?
5 units.
5 units. So let me write here. You mean go left or just write left? Right? How many units? 5 units. But remember, just now Leo show move right. Remember when we do this absolute value function, you mean move right 5 units.
Wasn't it though? So like if you do like
Yeah, that means that you mean it should be move right. Ray mentioned move left. I suppose one of you is correct, right? Not both correct. Now let me write it. You say that means x replaced by who? If x replaced by x minus 5, then it's move right. If x replaced by x plus 5, then it means move left, correct? So it's depend from here to here. X replaced by which one?
5 minus x.
Good. So let's say that means that actually we can write this as f of good.
You think you take out like negative
Negative x surface minus 5, right? Correct? This is just this 5 minus x, right? So that means let me circle x replaced by this. So it's move right or left? Yeah, not left, right. Right? So we already found the general rule. First step, what? Reflect about y. Second step, what? Move right 5 units. Then we get answer. Right? Let's try. remember this rule. Reflect about y first. Move right 5 units. Okay. Yeah, let me Then let me find the decimals, and we try it. Make sure we say 27. 27, okay. And oh, it's not so big. Oh no. Okay, let me circle what we want to do. We want to test this, right? Hold. So parent function is this. I still call it y equal to sqrt 1 minus x square, right? Yeah, by the way, where it is, just here. Then how we know this function? You say I just copied, right? I just copied. But suppose x, here x replaced by 5 minus x, right? Then it's the function in problem 27. Yeah, let me have a parenthesis. And here is 5 minus x. Yeah, suppose we already done where it is. Oh, okay. Now let's check. Let's check if it's true. So this is the initial parent function, all right? As we mentioned, what is the first step
Across y.
about y? How? So we just change x. But here we already say if reflect about y, you still get this, right? So we will not really go to try because, of course, we will say if x go to negative x, but after take square, of course, it's still x square, right? So we will not really try. Then second step, change x to x minus 5, right? Then, of course, we get this, right? So that means that here the function is too special, right? Hold. Because this is we call it even function, right? This is even function. This is even function. So when we mention reflect about y, actually nothing changed. But this suppose different. So this time let's try this. You understand why we want to try this? Because this is not even function. Actually, it's an odd function. All right. So let's say if this rule still works. Hold. Okay, so this time the parent function is it's either y. Right. Then finally we want to get is yeah, just the x replaced by 5 minus x. Right. Yeah, now let's say from here, starting from the parent function. Okay. Then first is reflect about y means x replaced by negative x, right?
Yeah.
Negative x. Say we get the red one. Then starting from here, this time what we should do? Move right 5 units. That means the x replaced by who? No. X replaced by if move right 5 unit, how you change x? Initial is x. Now you should let it go to x
-5.
minus 5 instead of plus 5, right? Okay. So you say I copy from here. Negative still negative. I just change x replaced by x minus 5. So it's the blue line. I suppose it's match with the black line, right? So you say we can. So you say they are just at the same place, right? Okay. So that means that actually we have a general rule. It's not depend on what kind of function it is. Okay, I suppose that's all for today. Now let me sign homework for you guys. Hold. Yeah, again, when you do homework, you can draw the graph first. You can make use the decimals, but not let the decimals draw for you. Just use the coordinates. So sometimes if you have a grade paper or coordinates paper, you can also use it, right? Then compare with the result get from decimals. Okay, let me say, hold. We still have 3.5. Let me go to the 3.5. Hold. Yeah, we still have 3.5, 3.6, right? Yeah, just keep here. So all done. Section 3.3, 3.4, all done. Then homework. How about just go to chapter test? And you do it. If for some problem,
The entire chapter test.
yeah, you can take it as the whole chapter 3 test. But if you meet some problem, you cannot do it. Just mark. Maybe it's related to section 3.5 and 3.6, right?
Yeah.
Okay, do here. But if you are okay with all the problems, that means we should pass this chapter, right? Okay, thank you.